1. Recognize your value and believe in yourself. 2. Establish clear boundaries in your relationships and enforce them. 3. Prioritize your physical, mental, and emotional health. 4. Challenge and replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. 5. Engage in activities that promote learning and self-improvement. 6. Stay true to your values and principles. 7. Choose relationships that uplift and support you. 8. Accept your mistakes and learn from them without self-punishment. 9. Acknowledge and reward your accomplishments, no matter how small. 10. Don't overcommit or agree to things that don't align with your priorities. 11. Regularly reflect on and appreciate the positive aspects of your life. 12. Own your actions and their consequences without blaming others. 13. Create a space that reflects your values and promotes your well-being. 14. Trust your instincts and intuition. 15. Define your objectives and take steps to achieve them. 16. Eat well, exercise, and get enough sleep. 17. Don't be afraid to ask for support from friends, family, or professionals. 18. Stay present and mindful of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. 19. Focus on your journey and achievements rather than comparing yourself to others. 20. Spend time doing things you love and that bring you joy. Like the video and subscribe channel for more motivational videos. Thanks for watching.